Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to use 24Inbox, your go-to tool for generating free temporary email addresses. If you're tired of spam and want to keep your personal email safe, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Here we are on the 24Inbox homepage. As you can see, 24Inbox provides free, secure, and anonymous temporary email addresses that you can use for various purposes, including online signups and protecting your personal inbox from spam. At the top, you'll find a simple and user-friendly interface with a few key sections: our service information, a button to generate a new email address, and a section to load and view your emails. Let's start by generating a new temporary email address. Simply click the New Address button. You'll see a new temporary email address appear in the input field. You can use this email address for any online registration or communication. To check for incoming emails, enter your temporary email address in the input field and click Load Mail. Any emails sent to this temporary address will be displayed in the table below. You can read the content, check attachments, and even reply if necessary. 24Inbox also offers several features to enhance your experience. The temporary emails help you avoid spam, keep your primary inbox organized, and maintain your online privacy. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that your personal information stays secure and your inbox remains clutter-free. Here are a few scenarios where using 24Inbox could be beneficial: signing up for newsletters, participating in online forums, or testing new services without revealing your personal email. Using a temporary email helps you avoid spam and reduces the risk of your primary email being targeted by malicious entities. That's a quick overview of how to use 24Inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.